jump to the... Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wild Ride Outdoors. Today we're installing a Buttstock on our Remington 870. Gotta love eBay. First, check that the firearm is clear. No Darwin Awards today. To start, remove the cap to the magazine tube. Then slip in a finger and give it a twist. Slide it out gently to keep her guts intact. Yes, that is a dowel rod for a plug. I am in fact a cheap bastard. Next, pull the barrel off the receiver. This part can be a little tricky. To remove the forearm, slide it out as far as it will go, then push outwards on the guide arms inside the receiver. Press them in while pulling slightly on the forearm, and with a little luck, she slide apart like your wife's legs for the neighbor. Next, we need to remove the nut on the front of the forearm. Proper tools help with this job, but we got what we got. Remove the nut and disassemble the forearm from the action bar assembly. Pull out game strong. The original wood looked nice, but this new green and gray laminate goes hard. Like a single mom, it came used and a little abused, but always good for some recreational use. Slide the bar assembly into the new wood. I like to use Loctite. Don't want her coming loose. Thread the nut back on. Making sure the guide action bars are even to the forearm. Put everything back together the way it came off. First with the bolt assembly. Then the barrel. The spring, plug, and plug end. And finally the cap. The buttstock goes a lot easier. With a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws through the rubber butt plate. Then use a decent-sized flat head to remove the bolt inside. Again with a Loctite. Then assemble the new buttstock with a new shorter bolt through the grip area. And that's it. Like a fat chick at bar time, she will in fact do. That's a turkey-getting machine if I ever seen one. Again, I want to thank you for joining me here at Wild Ride Outdoors. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one.